Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra that has been battered. And look at that, it needs some help. Let's go. So you can see here it has been stabbed multiple times. It's damaged. That's that. The touchscreen is still working though, but there's some lines on the right areas of the display, and of course the cracks is undeniable. It needs to go, so there's no way around it. We will have to get a new display and replace it with a new one. We'll start off with the repair by removing the back cover on this one. We're gonna slice through the back cover here. I think this is the first time this device will be opened, so the stock factory adhesive is very strong on this one. We're gonna take our time not to damage the back cover. We've used IPA to soften the adhesive and plastic prying tool so that we don't crack the back cover or damage the internal components inside the smartphone. I'm going to pick the adhesive strips slowly. Slice through it. This has taken a while actually. We have cut a majority of the process, but we're almost done. Right there. I'm gonna put that to the side and unscrew some screws on the main board. There's a lot of screws in here, but Samsung made it easier, I think, for repair technicians to just remove all the screws because they are the same size. Not sure, but they was just mixing them in a spot there on the repair table. We have removed the cover for the battery and the daughter board, also for the main board. We're gonna remove everything that you see here. SIM card tray has to go, so we can remove these flex cables and the daughter board below the battery. I'm gonna pry it off. Pry off the connector and then remove the main board. It's a very complex process. We don't need to rush it because it can damage some components. And side by side we have the replacement display and housing assembly. So it's gonna be a quick job. We're just gonna transfer everything to the new display. We're gonna remove some rubber grommets, I think, small components from the old one. The front camera and the battery. Battery is held on pretty tight here, so sticky. We need to pry it off slowly. So this is the real speed of it. And we're gonna cut off the adhesive so we don't bend the battery too much. You can bend it back if it's just a small one. We're gonna put back all the screws. Next off is the display, the main board itself. Press it in. The front camera is gonna go in. It's just Legos for big professional technicians like David here. And David is a Samsung Galaxy expert, so no issues with him putting this all back together. And there you go. You just reverse the process and we're almost done. If you have an S22 Ultra that you need to fix and you're worried about high costs of repair on other shops, you can try here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We offer reasonable prices. We have good reviews on Google reviews and other platforms. We also upload a lot of videos of the previous smartphones that we have fixed for clients. And if you're interested in getting this exact service for your S22 Ultra, ROG phone, or iPhone, then don't hesitate to message us through Messenger, Instagram, and Facebook. We're just gonna put back all the screws and the back cover, and we will be done. So like and subscribe, guys, if you're interested in fixing smartphones. If you want to learn more about techniques on how to fix smartphones, you can like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll upload more repair videos in the future. As you can see here, all good. Just gonna close this up and we say goodbye to the internal components. And we'll give it back to our client. So don't forget to visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre if you're in Sydney. Follow us on our socials and YouTube. And I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope you learned something, find this interesting. And we'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.